Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW M4. First, make sure your M4 is securely in park or neutral. Next, ensure your key fob is either in the designated slot or simply present inside the vehicle's cabin. With the key detected, firmly press down on the brake pedal using your right foot. This prepares the car for ignition, ensuring safety and proper system engagement. Once the brake pedal is engaged, locate the Start/Stop engine button. This is usually found conveniently near the gear selector. Give it a single, firm press. You'll then hear the powerful M4 engine roar to life, settling into its characteristic idle. This sequence ensures a smooth and reliable start every time you get behind the wheel. After the engine starts, take a moment for a quick check. Observe the dashboard to confirm all warning lights extinguish within a few seconds, indicating systems are operational. Next, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to achieve your ideal driving position. Finally, always remember to fasten your seatbelt securely before you even think about putting the car in gear. Safety first. With everything set, you're ready to drive. Select your desired gear, either drive or reverse, using the gear selector. If the parking brake was engaged, it might release automatically, or you may need to disengage it manually. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Enjoy the exhilarating performance of your BMW M4 and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.